Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here real quick to show you my last Christmas journal for this year. I will not be doing any more Christmas journals for this year. So if you are wanting one, you better jump on over and get this. By the time this video uploads, this will be posted, and I will have the link in the description box to where you can go over to purchase this. If you purchase December 12th, 13th, or 14th, I will make sure to get it sent out the same day you purchase and get it sent out by priority mail to ensure that you have it in time for Christmas. This makes a cute little Christmas gift. So it is 8 inches high, 6 inches wide. This one has a 2-inch spine. And I used a green thread, but it blends so well in that so you can't even see it. I have it tied with this cute little adorable red elastic. So let's get right into it. My third family member from Tennessee is still missing, so you guys keep him in prayers, keep everybody in prayers right now. So on the inside, you'll see I have the rickrack on the outside. I have that same pattern on the inside. I did sew a lot in here. So this is a pocket. I forgot to put something in it, but I will make sure when you get it that it does have stuff in it. But you can see it is a pocket. This is a little journal tag. I sewed a little tab on up there. I did not do any inking whatsoever in this journal. I sewed a tab onto this vellum paper. On some of the pages, I stitched on them. So this one I've done some zigzag and some straight. And again, the story is intact and in order. Lots of journaling space, as you can see. And again, I've done some more of the sewing there. And then on this page, I just sewed a piece of fabric down, and then you lift that fabric up and it reveals a pocket, and there is a tag. And so then on this page, this is a double pocket. It has a tag there that I had sewed around, and then there's a tag here. Then we have a belly band, and in the belly band I have another little tag with a sewed tab on it. Some more sewing on that page. Piece of coffee dyed vellum. You have a little pocket here with a little journal tag in it. Just done some stamping. Some more sewing here. This is one of our vellum pockets that we created online together. And this is a tag from, I think it was from maybe one of my collage boards. Just gonna let it snow. And just got a Christmas tree there. And just got some washi tape up there, some sewing on the side. And again, I am missing, I was in too big of a hurry, I guess, to get it done. But this is a pocket, and this is a pocket. There will be stuff in there when you receive it. Lord, I missed all kinds of stuff. This is a tuck right there. This is a pocket. And then when you open this, you'll see there's some envelopes or little folder type things, and I'll have stuff all down in there. This is another pocket. It's a paper sack. And then we've got a journaling card in there. And you can see the sewing. Another piece of vellum. This is another sewing pocket. And this just has a flip, look at that, a flip card like this in there. And then here's the second signature. And I've sewn on this. And so in this one is, this is an envelope that we done some Collage Podge on with some of the Tim Holtz stuff. And I will put some papers or something down in there. Some vellum, and I sewed on the edge of that. This is a pocket. I've got a couple little journal cards stuck in there. Again, I am slacking. This is a pocket. So there will be stuff in all of these. These are 2 envelopes. You can stick stuff down in those. Plus, this one is a top load pocket. This one is a side load pocket. I just stuck a strip of washi right there. Some more sewing on that. This one has some sewing done on it. This is a pocket. Lord help me, guys. I'm so sorry I don't have it all together to show you, but trust me, there will be stuff in every pocket. These are just adorable little tags that I put on there. I have a little tab sewn onto this page. This is your envelope. This is the center of this signature. I know that I didn't put anything in there because it's still kind of wet. This is another one of those sacks, and I just got one of these journal cards down in it. Some more of the sewing. This is a top load tuck. Some more of the coffee dyed paper. It says Merry Christmas. And this says enjoy throughout the year. And this is a pocket as well. You can see the sewing on it. We have Santa on this side. And then this, I just done a little flip. And then this here is a matchbook style belly band, and so I didn't have it stuck in there just then because I was letting the glue dry. Let me make sure that everything's good and dry and fitting good. Okay. And I'll make sure that it's all done before I close it all up. I don't want to get it stuck. And then I have a tag behind there. I just put this cute little car strip right there on the bottom of that. And some more sewing, vellum, another pocket, and I got a couple of little cards stuck in there, and then there's the back. So there it is, guys. There is the last Christmas journal for this year. So make sure if this is something, if you're wanting something to create a tradition with or gift to somebody, make sure you jump over and grab this. It will not last long. I posted the one yesterday and it was sold within 15 minutes. So go grab this one, and I will get it sent to you priority mail so you can have it in time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.